subdivisions. If you learn and listen to Ifa, nobody will go astray. It's there. When they gave birth to us, they gave us water. Omi ayé ni, òní pẹ́ lórí, atari kì í di tiẹ̀ lábọ̀, oyin ní ẹnìkan ẹ̀fọ́ ní sẹ́nu kó tún dànù, àádùn ní ayé aládùn, ìkorò ní sínú gbèsè ayé ẹ̀. All these are ingrained in our culture for everybody. Táyé bá yé èèyàn tán, when history is good, they forget history. When it is bad, they begin to look for history. History has validated the current Aláàfin of Ọ̀yọ́. You should not forget history. I was here in 2018 on behalf of the Center for Black Culture and International Understanding as a director to celebrate Aláàfin. We now look at the institution of Aláàfin in Africa, African diaspora. We spent 3 good days in Abayọ University. We have published 2 editions of the book. We have the 3rd edition completed, but we don't have funding support. We have 73 chapters in the book, and the 74th chapter was contributed by Aláàfin himself. 4-hour undoctored speech. We now have to transcribe that and put it in his own word so that it's a legacy for prosperity. After Samuel Johnson, Professor Atada, and Solomon Babayemi, the next book on Ọ̀yọ́ is what we have done in 2018, which is awaiting publication. Honorable Commissioner, you know, I discussed the matter with you. I'm putting in the public domain for those who are close to the governor of Oyo State. It's possible that we do something to memorialize it. History, this history should not be lost. It should not be lost. We have documented it as everything has been edited with Professor Abayọ Additional, who is now the global scholar in a UK university. So we have done that. Our generation is living. There is no money in cultural history. No money. But we do it. After additional Akin in Nigerian universities today, who is interested in helping you to write anything? It's a materialistic age. So the legacy of Aláàfin is complete documentation of the history of Ọ̀yọ́. 74 chapters. We don't want it to get lost. In 2021, Aláàfin commissioned Professor Abayọ Additional and my uncle said that we should extend our research to the tangible and intangible heritage of Ọ̀yọ́. Can you please show the letter? The letter was written by Aláàfin and forwarded to the VC University of Ibadan and Vice Chancellor Osun State University. That is the signature right there. We started, but death, the end of all mortals, took him away. And by the time I came to commiserate with my friend, Honorable Akim, in his house, he said, "Prof, your friend has gone. Don't let my friend go, please. He'll be interested in this prosperity, in this legacy project. Please, please, it's a legacy project. Don't let it die." Beyond Ifa, Ẹlẹ́rìí, àtúrí ọmọ tí ó súnmọ́ ṣe. Forget about Islam. You can be a Muslim. Nobody is stopping you. You can be a Christian. Nobody is. You can be any other faith. But as a Yoruba person, you cannot discountenance Ifa. If you do it at your own peril. My teacher of blessed memory referred me to an Ifa sometimes ago. That's Professor Isaac Adiago Akinjami. When the daughter of Onumila was having challenge, and the Ifa passage goes like this: Gbogbo orí àfin ewu abukelu rewo ẹ̀ṣọ́ amaso lálágbàdá ti gbèsè rẹ̀ dé ló dífá fún ẹ̀mí ọmọ Olódùmarè ọmọ atẹnilẹ́gẹ́lẹ́gẹ́ polisi àpèjì ọ̀run ìlàgbọ́ rírú ẹbọ ọgbọ́ bíbọ́ ẹbọ àtòkèso. We Opiton are nation builders. Historians are nation builders. We know a lot, but we don't say much. We manage it. And I'm happy Professor Asiwaju is here today at his 80th birthday celebration at the University of Lagos. The Alaafin was there. He arrived on time. And Olugbo came very, very late. And he came with a number of diasporian obas who had bleached to the last breath. And Kabiyesi said, I will not be part of this exercise. I will not be part of it if this gentleman should come. At the end of the day, Kabiyesi staged a walkout. The historian, leading historian, we selected our elders, including Professor Anthony Asiwaju, to make an appeasement with the Alaafin and the Oni, because a wrong issue, some other people briefed the Oni wrongly. Whereas the Alaafin was defending the interest of Oni right at that particular. And what we do nowadays, we advise our obas not to write history on WhatsApp, not to write history on Facebook. Very, very, I don't write history, I don't comment on WhatsApp, whatever you want to write. I will not be dragged to it. It allows non-professional historians, amateur historians to drag you. Let our Alaafin have the court historian. You know, Oyo pioneered court history. The Arokin exists in Oyo. The Alaro exists in Oyo. The Akibe, the Asurara. But today, in this age, you need a professional historian to handle your case, to handle your history, so that. Secondly, there is what we call diplomatic notes. Diplomatic notes. Alaafin of Oyo, Ọba Lamidi Adeyemi Kẹta, in 1976, wrote a diplomatic letter to Oni Adesoji Aderemi. Can we project that letter? Darren, please project the letter. When the Soko of Soko of Itaku in Ikiri was aspiring to be crowned as a monarch, and Kabiyesi Adeyemi wrote a beautiful letter, my dear Oni. That letter is for you. And in reply, Oni